Hello guys, so today we are going to make video on basic operating principle of cautery machine. What are the safety precautions we have to take during use of cautery machine? What is a monopolar cautery? What is by bipolar cautery? And how to make basic connections of the cautery machines. See, basically what is by cautery? You will get shocked, you will get surprised how doctors will stop bleeding during the surgery. So for that, this machine is responsible for this. Cautery machine is very responsible to stop the bleeding. Actually, it have two basic functions like cut and coag. For this purpose, we are using cautery machine. So first, I will show you what are the basic connections we have to do. First, you have to connect the power cord, right? After that, see, this is nothing but your, what we can say that, pencil, monopolar, bipolar pencil, like that. It have two modes like a cut and coag. For the all type of cautery, there is a universal coding. Yellow is for the cutting and blue is for the coag, right? So see, here you can observe bipolar, monopolar and neutral. At the monopolar, you just connect this, right, in this way. And if you want to connect these what we can say that foot switches at the back side, they have provided two connectors. There you can connect the foot switch. Second, this is nothing but a patient plate. You have to connect at the bottom here. Press it properly. If it get loose, it will give a indicator alarm. It is in red color and your cautery will not work. Now this basic connection has to be done, right? And after that, just switch on the power supply. After switching on power supply, just make it on from here. At the starting, there will be a sharp check, right? And after that, there are different programs. So we have selected one program here, right? This program I'm going to set. And at the coag, these are nothing but settings. You can increase or decrease setting from here, right? You can increase or decrease the effect here for cutting. You can increase, decrease the values as per your requirement, right? And see, if this patient plate is not going to connect properly, what will happen? It will give the alarm in red color and it will not operate. So always remember, you have to connect it in proper manner, so it should be in red color. Now I will show you how to check cautery is working or not, right? Suppose now I just selected any one mode. This is nothing but pencil. Come close. So what we have to do? We have to take one soap and just fold the cautery paddle and just pour some small water drop on the soap, and just I'm going to show you. Cut. See, come close. So you can observe this is nothing but cutting, right? And for coag, this is nothing but coag. So in this way, you can check your cautery is working or not properly. So this is nothing but basic what you can say that operating training for the cautery machines. Second thing I would like to tell you, basically there are two type of cautery like monopolar cautery and bipolar cautery. So what is by monopolar cautery? For the monopolar cautery, you require a patient plate which is connected to the patient, and for the bipolar cautery, that current get flows between the forceps only. One is active needle and one is a passive needle. From active needle current goes and from the passive needle it comes down, and this is nothing but monopolar, right? So from this tip current will be inside the body for the cutting and coagulation, and it has to be captured with help of patient plate. So this is a basic difference between monopolar and bipolar cautery. So what are the modes of the operation in the cautery? So first of all, your cut mode, second one is your coag mode, and third one is your blend mode. What is by blend mode? In same mode, you can use cut as well as coagulation. That's what is called a blending mode. So as I told you, what is the difference between monopolar and bipolar? So for the monopolar, it requires a patient plate, high power used for large area surgeries, and for the bipolar, it doesn't require patient plate, right? And it is safer used for precise coagulation. Where you require a precise coagulation, you can go for the bipolar cautery. What are the safety precautions you have to take during use of cautery machines? First of all, ensure patient plate is properly placed or gelled. Sometimes in many hospitals, many people, they are reusing disposable plates, and it will be cause of cautery burn to the patient. So always remember that if you are using a reusable plates, that is okay. If if patient plate is disposable, you have to dispose it after each and every use. So it will be good for the patient. Second, when you are going to connect such type of patient plates, avoid bony area, right, and implant area. Okay. Third one, check cables, connectors before surgery. Check is there any indications on the machine or any red alarm is on the machine, right? And always use smoke evacuator to avoid inhalation, because when I am going to cut the tissue, what happen? It will create a lot of smoke, and that smoke is harmful to the surgeons. So you have to use smoke evacuator for that. And when machine is not in use, always remember it should be in switch off condition. So again I am going to repeat what are the basic operating modes for the machines. So first of all, check the power supply, check self-test, right? Select monopolar, bipolar mode. Always remember, confirm patient plate is connected properly for the monopolar. Operate hand switch, foot switch if required. Right? And what are the maintenance tips for the cautery machines? First one, regular inspection of handpiece. If handpiece get damaged, you have to replace it. Second, calibration check as per the manufacturer guidelines. Each and every quarter required calibration at least once in the year, because it requires high voltage, high current, and it will disturb to the what we can say that your settings. So always we have to remember, we have to restore all the settings, restore all the calibration, and it is to be achieved with help of only calibrations. Third one, clean handpiece after each and every use. It will helpful for the smooth surgery. And if there will be any worn out accessory, you have to find out, you have to replace that accessories, right? So this is nothing but basic working, basic safety precautions you have to take during use of cautery machines. So as I request you, many times we are continuously making a different videos on the biomedical equipment for the troubleshooting and other things. Many audience giving me a comment to make video on such what we can say that such type of equipments. They are giving me a request to make on particular equipment. So as per my time schedule, as per my time availability, definitely I will make video as per your request, right? And to give me a more inspiration to make such type of video, I just request to all my audience kindly subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.